This is 2023. What is your investment and savings looking like? I regularly ask my friends what they are doing with their investment as well as planning for retirement. So in that mode, I believe you can always start small. A while ago, someone asked me, how do you invest $1,000 in 2023? And I decided to make this video to show you how you can. Hi everyone, this is TroyStyled and welcome to my channel where I talk about all things men, focusing on fashion, lifestyle, travel, health, grooming, and self-development, and so much more. By the way, while you're here, click the link below and subscribe to my channel. Your comment, your like and subscription goes a long way in building this channel. So, you have $1,000 cash to invest. Here's how you do it. What is very important is to know your risk profile. Knowing your risk profile helps you to determine your investment profile overall. A low risk profile usually means investing in assets and instruments with low returns and vice versa for high risk profile. There's something called the risk reward ratio, which I will address in another video for men over 40. Rule number one, if you need that $1,000 within 6 months, then the savings account will be your best bet. However, if you need to invest long term, then it can be invested in a higher return asset like stock and so much more. So let's dive into it. I will start with short-term and progress to medium and long-term investment. Let's start with savings account. Now, this is a short-term instrument, especially if you need your money in a few months. Savings accounts are low-risk profile for those with low-risk tolerance with investment time frame of short to medium term. Also, savings accounts are very low interest rate, and with brick-and-mortar banks offering low interest rates compared to online banks, which I advise anyone to go for. However, with inflation going on around now, my advice is to be wary of this. I usually keep my short-term emergency plans in high-yield savings account due to their low risk profile. Second on my list is 401k matching. Now, most of us know what a 401k is, which is basically a tax advantage retirement account offered by most employers out there. 401k generally have a low risk profile with a long-term investment time frame. Most employers match 401k to some degree. These can be a very unique way to invest your $1,000, especially if you're employed by maxing out your 401k contribution with that $1,000. Most employers match 401k to between 2 to 6% of your salary. Now, matching 401k is indeed free money that anyone, I mean anyone, should not ignore. Also, 401k reduces your tax bill, and this is also an effective way to save money generally and overall. Also, while contributing to your 401k, depending on how it's structured, you will need to choose some other assets within your 401k portfolio to make it grow overall. So, this is a very smart way to invest your $1,000. Now, before I get to the third, smash the like button, subscribe, and let's make this channel grow. On to number 3, I'm talking about ETFs. Now, a lot of people out there know what ETFs are. ETFs are medium risk investments that usually have a longer time frame. So, how do you invest your $1,000 in ETFs? For those uninitiated, ETFs are basically exchange traded funds, which is a basket of stocks, bonds, and other assets traded on the stock exchange. There are so many ETFs out there and so many covering all sectors. Now, ETF offer 2 advantages: a low cost way to invest in stocks, and 2, a diversification opportunity for your portfolio. There are so many ETFs to choose from. However, I would suggest one that tracks and indices generally. Open a brokerage account and generally just go from there. And finally, stocks. We all know stocks, so I won't elaborate too much in that. Stocks have a medium to high level of risk attached to them, and returns can be substantial if chosen properly, and the investment time frame can start from medium to long term if you're not shorting them. Now, the issue with stocks are they require some level of analytical skills. Careful research is required as well to choose the right stocks for your $1,000. I'm an active trader with a diversified portfolio and advise few of my friends on their investments. There's so many free tools out there, and I'm going to have some links to investment that I'll use in the description below. So, just about my video on all things money, which I believe all men should have a basic understanding of. You don't need a lot of money to start investing. You can start from $1,000 and progress from there gradually. Just start anytime that you can. I'm going to start releasing money-related videos every Tuesday in addition to my other main content on Saturdays. Click the link below to like and subscribe to my channel to help this channel grow. And check out my other videos on men related content. This is TroyStyled signing out. Go invest and be safe out there.